Bollywood actresses who hate plastic surgery. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha is now at the peak of her career after giving successful films back to back. She never underwent any kind of surgery to improve her looks and body shape. Alia Bhatt. Alia believes in natural beauty, and that's why she works hard in gym to be in shape and beautiful. She always hates to go through any kind of surgery to be more beautiful or to be in shape. Deepika Padukone. Deepika is blessed with gorgeous looks and hot curves. She attracts everyone with her presence. She never thought to opt for any artificial surgeries to look more beautiful or attractive. Sara Ali Khan. When most of the other star kids opted for surgeries to become attractive before their Bollywood debut, Sara is an exception. Sara has the God-gifted beauty and glamour. She just hates to opt for any kind of surgery. Aishwarya Rai. She has the God-gifted beauty and glamour, and she just hates to enhance the beauty with plastic surgery. At the age of 47, Aishwarya is still so beautiful and attractive to blow our minds. Jacqueline Fernandez. Miss Sri Lankan beauty Jacqueline is blessed with natural beauty and fitness. So she never needed the help of any surgery to enhance her beauty. Sonakshi Sinha. Hope you know the shocking transformation of Sonakshi from fat to fit before entering the Bollywood. She lost her weight around 30 kgs to get into her first Bollywood film with Salman. But she never took the help of cosmetic surgeries or any medical treatment to be in shape. Sonam Kapoor. This diva used to be fat, but her hard work helped her to be in shape. She never took the help of surgery. She has gained fame as a fashionista in Bollywood and became a role model for many girls. Ileana D'Cruz. Ileana is not only popular for her acting skills but also famous for her hot curves. But she never went through plastic surgeries to become hot and attractive. Parineeti Chopra. Parineeti became fat to fit and beautiful with her hard workout and tough diet. She never opted for surgeries or medical treatments to be in shape and become more beautiful. Yami Gautam. This gorgeous girl never took the help of cosmetic surgery to improve her looks. She looks beautiful and decent in her natural God-gifted gorgeous features. Vidya Balan. Vidya proved herself as a superwoman and multi-talented actress. She never underwent in cosmetic surgery to improve her looks and body shape. Sonali Bendre. She achieved stardom in the 1990s and she always has a special place in everyone's heart. Sonali never went for surgeries to improve her appearance and youthful look.